Welcome back to Blind Man Morris, and it's that time of year again. Well, almost that time of year again, and we're going to get the cars ready for the show season, or rally season, or just generally driving around in the nice weather. So instead of just jumping straight in the car and expecting it to behave itself, you put the key in and you drive straight off and do a long run. Let's not do that. Let's go through a few simple steps you can do to make sure your car's ready to go before you start the season. Number one, before you put the key in, so let's pop the bonnet and go underneath. Check your battery terminals, check your oil level, your dipstick, check your radiator fluid, visual check of the engine bay, make sure there's no leaks or anything, check your dash pot, and then go into the car, turn the keys on, see if the dashboard lights up correctly, check all your lights, your indicators, your windscreen wipers, check everything works, your brake lights, your number plate light, and then go on to step two. Number two, tyres and wheels. So check your air pressure in your tyres, should be around 28 to 30. Most people think there's a problem with suspension on the first run. It's not, it's just the tyres are running at 18 psi. Pop your hubcap, check your wheel nuts, visual inspection under here, see if you've got any brake line issues, and then have a look under your car to see if you've got any new drips or leaks. And then we'll go on to number three. Number three, brakes. So test your brakes first by pumping the pedal gently until you make sure you've got a firm, not spongy pedal. Then, as you're driving away, test your brakes at walking pace. Make sure they're biting them, not pulling to one side. And also test your handbrake on a slight hill to see if it holds. Number three, brakes. Number four, under the bonnet, detailed check. So you want to check the tension in your fan belt. You want about half an inch of play on there. Also go over to your carburetor, check you've got a good throttle return and it's not catching. And while you're there, lubricate your throttle controls and choke cable. Number five, first start. So keys in, turn the ignition on, check all your lights come on, choke full out, pull your pull start and let her warm up nice and gently. Slow off the choke. And what you're listening for is even running, no new knocks or clonks. And once she's off choke, foot on the throttle pedal, a gentle blipping to get the engine nice and warm. Don't expect too much. It could have been asleep for 3 or 4 months. Let her warm up nice and slowly before you take her for a drive. First drive, make sure it's a test drive, 5-10 miles. Go through the gears, lightly brake, make sure the brakes are nice and clean, and listen out for any new noises and go for a decent drive. Get it all warmed up and do operating temperature, bring it back, check it over again to see if anything's started to leak and you've got new puddles underneath.
7, kit. So we carry loads of kit with us all the time. You don't need to do that, but the absolute essential should be a basic tool roll with your basic toolkit. You can have a look on our website for that. Also, spare fuses, a spare fan belt. Make sure you've got cable ties, some spare oil, some spare coolant, a rag, breakdown cover, a mobile phone which is fully charged, and also, if you like to, a picnic blanket.
Number 8, presentation. Clean your glass, clean your car, clean all your bright work and chrome work, clean your number plates, make sure your lights are clear, hoover the inside of your car, give your rocker cover a good polish, and you're good to go. Number 9, preparation. Fuel, insurance, route. Make sure your fuel's tank topped up, make sure your insurance is up to date, make sure you know where you're going, make sure your phone's charged, make sure your picnic blanket's folded nicely, and have a good season. Hopefully to see you around and about. We're all over the place this year. Come over and have a chat. See you soon.